Alrighty. And everybody that showed me support as I was healing, I appreciate y'all, you know. It's all good. But this is clever. Very smart. Very smart to do it like this. I'll probably get some footage of the folks at the track doing their thing. Now today it's not about ZX Predator, it's about the event. So I'm not drawing attention to myself with my helmet right now. But shout out to Eric for coming earlier. What's going on, brother? Pleasure to meet you in person, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, how you holding up?
It's awesome, man. I'm very excited to be here, to be honest.
Yeah.
Show Black Moses some love and support.
Yeah, he deserves it, man. That was very smart that he did it at the track, on the track day. Yeah, I was just interviewing him. He's just like, every once in a while, I come up with a good idea. Funny guy, I love him to death, man.
Yeah, he's a good guy, man. It's worth the drive. It was about like 5 hours.
5 hours for you? Damn.
And then 5 hours going, man. But it was worth it.
All right, cool. For my channel, can you give folks how to reach you and all your good stuff?
Guys, if you, most likely you probably don't know who I am. Pretty low key with it. You can find me on the Clutch First NY channel across all social media, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I think Clutch First NY, all written out. And reach out, check out the content, and subscribe.
Yeah, and I have to compliment you when you did the interview with Moto Mac. Man, that was impressive, your setup and all that good stuff. Yeah, much respect, much love, man.
Thank you, sir.
Shout out from ZX Predator. Thank you for giving me some time, my man.
Yeah, man.
Straight to switchback, coming around. So we call this switchback. So now you'll notice his controls are now flopped. So the right throttle hand now becomes, or the right clutch hand now becomes the left throttle hand. Jason, if the burnout's going switchback, give it up for this guy. Look at the controls here. Swinging the burnouts that way now. Give it up for Jason. Jumping up to the tank, going for some switchback Christ. Look at him just surfing that thing. Give it up for Jason. That's a super technical trick. Straight into a wheelie, so now he's now covered wheelie segments. And it's how you can link the tricks together and the flow that you get in doing it that made this floor what it was. Jason going with, this is called blindside. Stalling the bike, so you notice the bike doesn't die out. That's because it's controlling the handbrake and the clutch. Remember, Jason, he's going to jump right out of it. Andrea coming in, looks like Jason's right behind her, they're setting up for something, circling around each other, super precision here. These guys are going Ralph Louie, looks like they're after something,
All right, folks, I just got myself something to eat. Linking up with different people, looking for Mac and the guys. Yeah, so we got the track guys over here doing their thing. So we're gonna enjoy some company. I don't know if that's the beginning group. Yes, sir. We got Mac in the building.
I'm mad you got your food so much faster than we did.
I know, dude. I just paid and he just turned around. He made like a whole bunch of them after you guys.
Oh, my God.
Oh man. But make sure you check out my brother over here.
You already know.
Yes, sir.
To crush these cans, so they're basically going to roll a stump, try to roll it right where the can is, and try to drop the can down and crush it with the rear tire. Give it up for these guys. You guys think they can do it? I think somebody has seen this before. Here comes Joseph. One and done. She's got this. If Jason doesn't beat her to it. I see Jason, you can't resist. You can't hold yourself back. Looking good. Oh, shit. Hey, consolation prize. You got it anyway. Jason drifted over. He's like, I'll just make sure. The new evolution of the sport. Not new, but new if you don't know. That was introduced. Drove all the way from California out here to ride for you guys. Volunteer, give it up for them. Pioneer, living legend. I'm Red all the way from California. Thank you guys for coming out here. So you guys just got here. This one. There's another one coming up.
All right, folks, we're back here with Mr. Black Moses, and we're just getting some closing remarks for the YouTube and how to reach them.
What's going on, everybody? It's your guy, Mr. Black Moses. I want to say thank you for coming out and being part of Clutch Control 2022 here at New Jersey Motorsports Park. Listen, you can follow me on the socials at Mr. Black Moses Official. That's Mr. Black Moses Official on Instagram and Facebook. And make sure you follow my YouTube channel. That's Mr. Black Moses. You dig? Holla at your boy. Let's go.
What is it? Less bitching, more riding?
Less bitching, more riding.
All right, brother.
All right.
We got guests coming to join us, but yeah, this is a good seat. Good day.
People that's coming?
Well, hey, I put it out there, man. I've been repping for Moses for a couple of months.
It's my first time meeting him. I just met him.
Oh, for real?
I feel like the whole mass
All right. Folks, about to head home. This was an awesome event. How'd you like it, brother? It was good stuff?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was awesome.
Yeah. It was well worth the what, 3 hours for you guys?
Yeah, well, from back and up, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
But I live like close here, so it was like a hour ride.
Yeah.
So I'm about to go to Plainfield for that house music festival that's going on.
Oh, okay, bet. You know what? I'm not that far from Plainfield, but we'll see how I'm feeling.
Damn hot, man.
Yeah. Bruh.
It's actually not even that bad.
But you sweating up a storm over here, brother.
Well, I just put this water on me.
Oh, I got you. See, I told you as the day goes on, more people will, hopefully I can get out. You know? But yeah, man. You see, I see a lot of people getting the Rizomas now. Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So what? You got the Superman helmet like this. Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. Decent turnout, man. Good stuff, man. But Mike, how'd you like the event?
It was cool.
Alright,
Cool.
good stuff.
Nice to link up with people and ride out.
Yeah. You see, we gotta support each other. Like, you know, like I said, I'm gonna plug everybody from Northern Mike to freaking Black Moses and everybody else that we saw out here. And Mr. Hope in the building. Oh yeah, I'm about to head back. Cause I got like a 2 hour. Yeah, but if y'all take off, y'all take off. You know, hopefully I'll get a little bit of footage of y'all.
Oh my God, now my water is warm.
Man. Gotta love all these ninjas. Nothing against the BMW, but a pro ninja. So now, just so y'all know, if you start seeing wings like this on bikes, you know they gangster. You know they gangster. All right, folks. So we're gonna leave out together, but they're gonna go and do their thing, like speed. But make sure y'all get in sync, you know, and then I'll text you when I'm home and all that good stuff. Pleasure meeting everybody. All right, y'all get in sync. All right.